Good morning. Welcome back to Chef Chet's Kitchen. Today we are cooking is quinoa and creamy mushrooms. So let's begin and show you how I do it. So firstly I'm adding is approximately half teaspoon of butter, and then I will add, I've taken is 1.5 cups of quinoa. I'm adding this, and we'll be adding 3 cups of water in this. 1, 2, 3. So we'll keep it on the high flame, we'll let it cook, and then it's when the quinoa has soaked all the water, we are going to cover it for 15 minutes, and then we'll take out the quinoa and start making the quinoa mushroom, creamy mushroom dish. So let's start. So we'll just stir a little bit. So it has to be 1:2 ratio. The water has to be 2:1 is the quinoa. So that's how. And yeah. So in the meantime, let's cut the vegetables. So the quinoa started boiling, and it should take about 7-8 minutes, and then we'll leave it for 15 minutes, and yes, it's done after that, and we'll start the rest of the preparations. So the quinoa is done, and now we will keep it for rest about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll start making our dish. So yes, keep watching. So now in a pan, you're going to add half teaspoon of butter. I've used unsalted, you can use the salted one as well. So in my butter, I'm adding little bit of za'atar powder. This is a beautiful flavoring spice, so I'm adding this. And now I will add is first chopped garlic. So these are about 4 or 5 garlic pods which I've used. And along with the garlic, I'm going to add fresh herb basil. And now we have this golden color on the garlic. Now we are going to add zucchini. Zucchini is about 150 grams. One whole zucchini, you can say. And along with the zucchini, I'm going to add tomatoes. This is one whole tomato. You want to cook this at high flame till the time zucchini softens and tomato as well. So now, okay, we are not going to use the salt in our dish just because the spices what I'm going to use, oregano or za'atar and all those things, that have a little bit salt in it, and plus the quinoa also has salt in it. So we're going to use very bare minimum salt, about a pinch or 2 pinch, that's it. So now is the time to add our mushrooms. This is about around 10 to 12 mushrooms. So now is the time to add little bit of salt. So as I told you, we're going to take approximately 2 pinches, 1 pinch and second pinch. So yeah, that's all. Little bit of garlic powder. Thyme. I've used dried thyme for this. I'm adding oregano. You can add oregano as per your taste, but I have taken approximately 2 grams. So now we're going to add some more basil to it. Along with it, I'm going to use approximately 100 grams of cream. So that's about it. So you see the colors, so beautiful, aren't they? Now we'll cook it for about 7-8 minutes more, and the outcome I'll show you. Now at this stage I'm going to add one good dollop of cream cheese. A little bit more. And some water to it. A dash of water, that's all. Let's increase the flame and let it simmer, cook for another 2-3 minutes. Let's taste. See, a dish can be successful before it's presented to the customer or to anyone at home also. You need to taste. Voila. So I think what I need is some more oregano. Because I feel little bit is less, so I'm going to add more. Approximately a gram or so I've added more to it, approximately you can say, or 3 grams in total. So the dish is ready to be plated and served. So let's start doing the plating now. As you can see, the quinoa is fluffy and separated and looks amazing. So plating karte hain, and final outcome of the dish let's show you. Alright, so the plating is done. This is how it's going to look like, our quinoa creamy mushroom and dish. So let's start eating and do create such recipes. They are wonderful. They're not hard to cook, they are not time consuming. So happy eating, enjoy yourself. Bye from now, from Chef Chait's and Chef Chait's Kitchen.